In this video, I am going to show you how to get digital well-being in your Android device. Download and install Action Dash Digital Wellbeing from the Play Store or using the link in the description box below. Grant the necessary permission. Action Dash is split into 5 main sections. First, you get an overview of your usage in the form of pie chart and several points. Swiping to the other tabs, we will find the detailed information about how much time you have spent in each app, how many times you have opened an app. Grant the permission to notification access to get the number of notifications that have shown up on your device and how many times have you unlocked your handset. Comparing this to Google's digital well-being, you aren't going to miss out any function. The primary difference is that digital well-being is baked into Android and can be used to limit the usage of various apps. Action Dash is here to show you the data.